Hi guys, my name is Daniel Ricardo Chinchilla Garcia, and today I will be your tour guide. I'm going to tell you why you should visit Cuba. What to do? Visit Havana and appreciate all the historical monuments. Visit the Malecon and go to the Varadero beach. When to go? The best time to go is from November to April. For this month, the rainy season is over and temperatures are not so high. What to drink? You must drink canchanchara and you must drink guarapo. What to eat? When you are Cuba, you must try these typical foods: yuca con mojo, congri rice, and tostones. Travel tips. When you arrive in Cuba, remember to keep your money in dollars. Most people sell in dollars, and when you pay in local currency, they charge you a little more. You have to go for a walk through the Valle Vinales. You must take a walk through the Callejón de Amel. Thank you so much.